Hi, my name is Elizabeth Blandon. I am here behind the offices of Blandon Law. I'm here to help, and so's the team at Blandon Law. And this is the most important moment when it is needed. People who have temporary protected status, or TPS, are very worried. But the first point to understand is that the law is not changing. Temporary protected status still exists. Unfortunately, it is being taken away, and people from El Salvador will be without protection and they will be without authorization as of September 2019. People from Honduras will not be here legally in the United States after January 2020. And the hundreds of thousands of Haitians, altogether, all three countries combined, will not be here without protection after July 2019. So the point is that this is the time to act. In addition, although previous administrations have decided who to deport and who not to based on crimes, in June 2018, this administration came out with a memo saying that everyone who is here without authorization, including people who just had their TPS taken away, are going to be deported. They're going to be put in removal proceedings in front of an immigration judge. So this is the time to act, and we are ready to help you. What options are available? There are basically three. First, if you have a family member, like a U.S. citizen spouse or legal permanent resident, you may be able to get a green card without even leaving the United States. In some cases, if you have a U.S. citizen or resident spouse or parent, you might be able to get a green card, which allows you to stay in the United States permanently under a program known as provisional waiver. So either of those two options may apply to you if you have a family member who's a spouse or a parent who's a U.S. citizen or a legal permanent resident. Now, there are also protection laws that are very important. At Blandon Law, we are nationwide experts at asylum, and there's usually something called the one-year deadline. You can apply for asylum if you've been in the U.S. for more than 1 year, but that doesn't apply for people who have TPS. So, very important to understand, if you fear returning to your home country because of your race, your religion, your political opinion, your nationality, or your membership in a political group, in a particular social group, then please come see us, because we might be able to get you asylum, and that means you and your family members will be allowed to stay in the United States. People also ask, what if I have an employer who's willing to petition me? The only way you'll be able to get a green card that way is if someone filed a petition, including a labor certification, for yourself or your parents before April 30th of 2001. That's a program known as 245I. Lastly, I want you to know that if you get a notice to appear, if you have to appear in court, the attorneys at Blandon Law are here to keep that case active as long as possible. And certainly our goal will be to keep that case active until the law is interpreted differently, because we are here to protect and inform. We look forward to helping you, and see our other videos about how to schedule a consultation.